Welcome to my channel. Step ahead with a new video. Today I'm gonna share my secret help of passion. Trust me. This portion actually helps you in making your hair grow. Language, sign me up. Antico, it also helps us can look better and resplendent, but it also helps your nails grow these strong and non-people. So I hope you like this video, and if you do, please do give this video a big thumbs up because that means a lot to me. So let's just get started. So talking about this secret head portion of mind, let me just tell you one thing, that I don't really rely on supplements and chemicals when it comes to the health of my hair. I try to keep things as natural as I can. So you do all the natural things you know, which are available in our kitchen. So this portion also is totally natural. There are no side effects. Tell me about this secret. Our juice, try to have it you know in your breakfast. I have it in my breakfast everything, because in the first half of the day your metabolism is at its highest rate. So whatever you have, it completely gets assimilated in your system and it reflects on your hair and body. I too have this smoothie for a couple of minutes and you will see a remarkable difference in your hair and skin and on your knees. So let's just quickly take a look at all the ingredients which we need to make this juice. Here I've taken 2 carrots. Now these are regular Indian carrots, and carrots are full of between a fiber, zinc and a lot of good things. They are extremely good for your skin, your hair and your overall well-being. So here I'm taking 2 smaller size carrots. We also would need these Indian gooseberries. They are popularly called as amla now. Our blog on gooseberries, they are full of vitamin C. Yes, they are one of the richest sources of vitamin C found anywhere in any vegetable or any fruit. So yes, I'm going to take 2 regular sized Indian gooseberry. Let me just tell you that Indian gooseberries or amla, they are extremely good for hair growth, not just in preparing juices and all. It is so widely used across India and other Asian cultures to impart that natural shiny black color to hair. I mean, you can make a powder out of it after drying his studies and just apply it on your hair. It's going to color your hair better than any of the artificial colors which you get in the market. The other thing which we need is a beetroot. Now the truth is also full of determiner. It's extremely good if you are suffering from anemia or if you have the iron deficiency. It's extremely good for all the pregnant women if you breastfeeding, and helps in the production of red blood cells. The next thing which we need is a 1 regular sized tomato. Tomato again is full of fiber and vitamin. It's also good and beautiful. See, we are also taking Copernica. Kimber is a full of water, and I'm going to list down all the goodness to compare, as it's not just going to help your hair, it's also going to make you skin very young and fresh and plump. Now I'm also taking a medium-sized lemon. Here, not just that the lemon is so full of which we will see, but I also like the taste of it. So yeah, let me is going to help in control protein and also going to help in digesting out all the fibers. One more thing which I am taking here. It's completely optional. If you don't have it, you can skip it totally, and that's watermelon. I mean, all these vegetables might not just make the juice quite tasty, but adding a chunk of watermelon is actually going to help the juice taste delicious. So yeah, I've washed, peeled and diced everything together. Whose pennies keep your purse? Carrots, tomatoes, beetroot, lemon and whatever. Now I'm going to mix it all in a mixer. If you wish, you might just use a juicer as well, but I prefer the regular mixer because I will all the fibers. Without the fiber, the vegetables lose out on a lot of nutrients. I strongly recommend that you try to retain all the fibers. On the other hand, you can totally go ahead and Eat it all in its original form because this salad, it's just going to taste so heavenly with a bit of salt and pepper. So I all the time eat all these articles in the form of salad, but like if you are in a rush, you can just go ahead and make a juice out of it. So I am just going to drop everything out in a mixer pan and grind it together once I've put in all the veggies in them, except, and now we are going to grind this, and for grinding I'm using some coconut water. If you don't have coconut water, it's perfectly alright. You can always go ahead and add the regular water to balance the consistency. Make sure you don't add too much water, because otherwise if you get too watery, and we have to keep the consistency like a thick shake or like that of a smoothie. So we are going to add some fresh coconut water to make it even more healthier. Coconut water has loads of fibers and plasma. It helps make you read their cells, which in turn helps in new hair growth. So that's how I prefer using coconut water. So let's just go in and add this. So here I'm pouring some fresh coconut water veggies. I love coconut water. I can have it anytime, anywhere, in any form. So I really like the idea of mixing it with my hair water juice because it makes it even more delicious. So let's now grind this together. So my magic potion is ready now. You call this. Now at this event you can squeeze in some lemon just to make it tastier. This looks the yum. I love my Scooty, so let's have this. So like and share this videos with friends and family, and most important is to subscribe my channel for more informational videos.